Good afternoon from Enschede, Holland, and we have a great professor. And Saros was praising a lot, and she says that she is a brave lady. When the whole country was under turmoil, she did not leave the city,
Yeah.
and she was living in the you see underground, and she stayed there, and she's decided that she will help recover this country out of entrepreneurship. So can you please introduce yourself a bit and how it happened and what is your story of effectuation?
So my name is Slavica, singer, and I live in the eastern part of Croatia, surrounded by borders with Hungary,
Okay.
Serbia, and Bosnia and Herzegovina. And on the beginning of 90s, we had actually 5 years war, and the part of country in which I lived was occupied by Serbs. And then we had 3 years UN forces, and they had actually administration over this occupied period. So only in 1998, this part was reintegrated to Croatia, and we actually found ourselves in the situation from the beginning of 90s that we experienced two mega changes. One, we changed the political and economic system on the beginning of 90s because we emerged from former Yugoslavia. And second, we had this long war, which actually brought us distractions, not only physical distraction, but also in people, in moral, in expectations. So my idea was that we have to find a way how to survive and how to renew the life after those two mega changes. And I was looking around the world for experience how to make people be more proactive and innovative and responsible for dealing with such issues. And I found really great support by many people. Actually, from literature, I saw that in the States, in America, uh, the programs in entrepreneurship, educational programs in entrepreneurship were flourishing during 80s. And I was thinking, if Americans need entrepreneurial education, what about us? And then I actually started to see if who can help us. So I come in contact with really people who were leading entrepreneurship education and research in the world, like Professor Alan Gibb from UK.
Alan Gibb from UK.
Yeah, and he's in some way godfather of our program.
Okay.
Because from
in Croatia. Oh.
yeah, because from the very beginning, he actually helped us to construct, to develop, to design the program, but also Jerry Katz from St. Louis University, Howard Stevenson from Harvard Business School.
Howard Stevenson.
Yeah.
One of the earlier
Yes, yes.
entrepreneurship
Y-
people.
Yeah. So all of them were the part of our advisory
So
board.
how were you able to get all those on board?
Not so difficult, actually.
Ah,
I just
emailed.
traveled. No, I traveled. I visited them. I explained why I'm looking for their help, and they helped us. Actually, most of them without money.
Effectual ask. Very strong ask.
Very strong ask. And so we started with our master's degree program in 2002. In 2010, we started with doctoral program in entrepreneurship and innovativeness, and it was based on signed agreement between Durham University in UK, Turku University from Finland, Klagenfurt University from Austria, and Maribor University from Slovenia. And we were actually beneficiary institution.
Oh.
And it was funded by European Union even before we joined European Union. And this group of people who I mentioned, they were in our advisory board. And right now we actually enrolled a 12th cohort of our doctoral students.
12th cohort.
Yeah, right now.
And you have young professors as your successor in the team?
Uh, Excuse me?
You have young people as a
Oh
team
yeah,
faculty
yeah,
now?
yeah, 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 absolutely.
It's a big team now.
So now we have in our faculty actually our first students from master's program, and so they are the really young professors, but most of them are
So you have
adjunct professors.
undergrad and master's program as well?
Yes, yes, yes,
And your students also go and do business and outside
yes,
the field?
yes.
More
Yeah.
effectual?
Mostly effectual.
And do you have some programs like agriculture entrepreneurship, rural entrepreneurship, and
We
small businesses?
in small businesses, but not specifically for agricultural, for example, but for small businesses
Okay.
across different sectors. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So I remember we were pretty young in those days when we saw many people killed in your region.
yeah,
I remember those very, very painful days
yes,
when
yes,
football stadiums were converted into
yeah,
graves. Is it?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I hope entrepreneurship becomes a source of love and respect.
Yeah, actually, it was not so easy because on the very beginning, some even my colleagues from the universities they said, "But why we need entrepreneurship? We have management." And it required time and patience to explain the difference between
Okay.
management and
Mm.
entrepreneurship. But now it is okay,
So,
and
what is your message to young faculty and faculty members? Yeah.
be open to learn, relearn,
Hmm.
and again learn. So
Okay.
all the time. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Wonderful. So may God bless you and keep you, you see, flourishing and
Thank you very much.
contributing. I'm Dr. Shahid from Pakistan,
Yeah,
and many people will be interested to talk to you and maybe as a guest speaker in Pakistan. We have a
it would.
woman entrepreneurship program. Sometimes we invite guests.
Okay, thank you very much.